Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report. US markets has fallen drastically yesterday, but nobody expected US markets to fall so drastically yesterday. And what happens normally when a child falls, it doesn't cry immediately. After seeing his mother, the child starts crying. This is a joke I always tell whenever markets go for a slightly late reaction. So, what has happened on Friday? The jobs report came not favorable to the market. Markets fell, but it has recovered completely on Friday. But on Monday, markets has fallen, and Nasdaq has fallen nearly 2%, while Dow Jones has fallen nearly 1.5%. So this fall is considered to be drastic. And not only the fall is drastic, S&P 500 VIX has shot up nearly 9%. So the volatility index is up and the premium started shooting up on both the sides. Naturally, Asian markets will be down, and but despite that, Japanese market is actually higher. Shanghai market, Hong Kong market is also slightly higher, and SGX Nifty, which was very low, it closed around 18,710 yesterday night, and now it is recovering. It is trading around 18,750. But still it will be 40-50 point lower than where we closed yesterday. Anyway, for the last many days, SGX Nifty has not been a good indication. So with the exit poll results and some other data, so surely data by SGX Nifty may not be very accurate. So exit poll results show BJP winning Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh may be a tough fight, and Delhi Municipal Corporation going in the Aam Aadmi Party way. So there is nothing surprise in these exit poll results. So this is actually in line with some ground reality. So more importantly, in Gujarat, BJP is likely to win with a huge majority. So this is considered as a positive one for market. As I always say, markets do not worry who rules the country, but markets want a stable government at the center. So this will reiterate the stable government at the center. Of course, parliament election is another 2 years away. Anything can happen from now to then. But still, market gives so much of importance to Gujarat state election. And stock-wise, HDFC. So yesterday, LIC has bought more than 2 lakh shares in cash market, open market. So that is a talk of the town now. Like at this point of time, it has already gone up and markets are somewhere near all-time high. And LIC entering the stock. LIC usually enters when the markets are at panic. So LIC entering HDFC shares now. I do not know what is the reason, but this shows that HDFC merger may not face any difficulties. It may go through smoothly. So definitely today HDFC will be more focus. And today is Tuesday, Fin Nifty expiry. So usually Fin Nifty expiry markets are likely to be volatile, and also tomorrow is the RBI policy. So there is for financials, particularly banks, are likely to be more volatile. Yesterday, Reliance has taken a back seat. IT stocks also took a backseat because yesterday night, Nasdaq is down nearly 2%. So IT stocks may not recover. And it was surprising. Yesterday, rupee has actually depreciated. When rupee depreciates, usually IT stocks tend to do well. But yesterday they did not do well. So yesterday Bank Nifty has outperformed. Mid cap and small cap did very well. So today we have to see whether the same trend continues. And yesterday's low will have to be keenly watched. And why? Because usually in a trending market, previous day's low may not be breached. And second thing, yesterday's low and SGX Nifty low yesterday night is almost the same. So that's why it acquires more significance. Metal stocks are looking really very good, and particularly Hindalco, uh, like other stocks also, like HDFC also. There was a huge delivery. Of course, when LIC is buying 2 lakh shares, there will be definitely huge delivery based buying. Mid caps and small caps tend to do well today also. So, because for the last 2 days, they've been doing very well. So, we need to see mm, whether Reliance picks up today. Markets are like still in consolidation mode between 18,500 and 19,000. So yesterday, because of my night flight travel and too cold, so I lost my voice, and so that's why today I'm not doing a video. I'm just doing a audio podcast. I had only 2 hours of rest yesterday night. After 2 hours of rest, I woke up to do this pre-market. So that's why I don't have much data also. And so yesterday, uh, we have seen the institutional data. So domestic institutions have bought for 1,500 crore more than what FIAs have sold. But now we understand from where that figure comes. So mostly that figure comes from LIC's purchase of HDFC shares. So if you remove that, the domestic institutions buying was also not really very good. Yesterday, I was wondering why the markets are so volatile if domestic institutions are buying so much. Now we understand that 2,600 crore of DIA buy, majority is from LIC for buying HDFC. So that's why yesterday HDFC did not fall. I did not rise also. It was almost flat. And when when LIC buys the shares, they will make sure that the price doesn't go up so much. So they know the ways and means of buying at a desired price, we can say. So anyway, that we will discuss in a separate video, how people buy large chunk of shares without disturbing the markets. So right now, 18,700 in the spot seems to be a resistance, and but anyway, so there are a lot of events like tomorrow RBI policy, day after tomorrow, like state election results, today exit poll results, and US markets also seems to be very very volatile. So I think the volatility is started. It may continue maybe until the end of next week, because next week consumer price inflation data from US is also there. So but we are trading at a very 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 low, ultra low VIX, we can say. So VIX is likely to pick up. So that is the time, if we want to create any long-term strategies. So I'm planning to take some positions in December 23 if VIX continue to go higher for another 1 or 2 days. So that's what we will be sharing in our Cochin conference also. So hope you enjoyed watching this. I can't say watching this as you're listening to this audio podcast. Thank you for listening. Apologies, I'm just too tired, so that's why I could not do this very well. Thank you.